A study in 2014 showed that students are 1.5 times more likely to fail a course they're taking if they attend traditional lectures than if they attend classrooms with lectures that contain diverse activities like low-stakes quizzes, group discussions, projects, and other interactive experiments. We learn best when we're actively participating in the lesson. If you want to encourage this, make sure to incorporate interactive activities into your online classrooms. Examples of these include games, icebreaker activities, peer reviews, presentations, pitches, quizzes, brainstorm sessions, puzzles, virtual field trips, etc. When it comes to activities for events, consider ways to get people involved who may be shy or less enthusiastic. Look at different types of activities and see which ones appeal more to your audience. You'll be able to run many of these activities through video conferencing tools regardless of internet connection. For example, there's a whiteboard feature that allows you to assign a puzzle to a participant in your session. Alternatively, you could use a free third-party tool to capture your learner's imagination like Kahoot or Mentimeter. In this video we will go through one of these two tools and explain its potential, and in the next video we will go through the other and list a few examples and questions that one can use. In reality, both those tools are great and similar in some ways, so pay attention and you can use the tips from these two videos in both tools mentioned. Kahoot has been around for a long time now, but it continues to grow in popularity as there are more than 70 million monthly active users worldwide that delivers and presents questions to participants. It is set up as a game quiz that participants can play either individually or in groups. Instructors provide participants with multiple choice questions, which are projected on a classroom screen that can be used to test the knowledge or spark great debates based on opinions. The really cool part is that participants answer these questions with their own personal electronic devices, for example laptops, smartphones, or tablets, and receive points for both response accuracy and swiftness. At the end of each question, you will be able to see your point total and that of other participants. You, as the facilitator, can always look at a participant's progress and check their individual score. The obvious way to use Kahoot is as a review tool. Participants love Kahoot as a review game. They find it engaging and a change up to the sometimes boring task of reviewing content. You want to make sure the questions that you are asking your participants are actually meaningful. There are a lot of quality Kahoots that are free to the community of people that have signed up for Kahoot. Make sure that any Kahoot you select from the community you take the time to proofread the questions and answers before using it. It is not that these Kahoots will be absolutely horrible, but they might have questions way too easy or hard for your participants. But on the other hand, you can also let your students prepare part of Kahoot and quiz each other if you'd like. Another way you could use it is to introduce new topics. Rather than doing a quick assessment, many Kahooters throw away PowerPoint and play a game to introduce new information at the start of a topic, often spending a whole lesson Kahooting. A game would typically consist of around 5 questions, each one building up a narrative around a specific concept or topic with explanatory photography, video or diagram embedded. After each question, discuss the why and you will likely spend 10 minutes debating each one. This approach creates a great leveler in the classroom, meaning everyone is included in the learning from the outset, increasing mastery of tricky subjects. Getting a question wrong doesn't matter. The magic happens during the discussion, re-showing the embedded image or video if necessary, focusing on the wrong answers as much as the right ones. You can use Kahoot for free with 10 participants or teams, and you can start simply by going to kahoot.com and sign up in the upper right corner. Then, when you log in, you can simply search for the topic you want under Discover. Take some time and have fun exploring all the possibilities that Kahoot offers. Try it out. You won't regret it. And for more info, check their blog in the link in the descriptions. I hope this video helped you with what you do or inspired you to try something different. If you know of someone that something in these videos would make their job easier, share the video with them. And if you have some solutions you find useful that could help others, please share them with the community in the comments so we all can benefit from each other's experiences. And thank you for making this world a better place. Bye.